Hi friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about the tuple and set. If you already watched the previous video of data types, inside that I have already explained the brief introduction about the tuple and set. So in this video we are going to learn something more about that. So just let me create one tuple variable, that is f tuple, and we know that this should be inside the parenthesis with some values. Let's say this is the value. Now if I'll talk about the set, then set would be f underscore set, let's say variable name, that should be inside the curly braces, and I will give the same value which I have given to the tuple. Okay, so we know that tuple is immutable, we cannot modify it. We can use tuple for the hard-coded or static kind of values like latitude, longitude, as I mentioned in the previous video. So now I'm going to print this tuple as well as set, and we know about the set that set is not going to keep the duplicate element. So here we can see that I have given number 2 as a duplicate element, so we are going to get is only one time. Let's check the output. Yes, very good. Also I have mentioned that tuple is immutable, so what I'll do at the 0th index, now I think everyone knows about the index and how it's going to be calculated. I have explained in the previous videos. So here I'm going to give the value 100, and see, I got the error because we cannot assign a value to the tuple after the creation. So this is wrong basically. So what I'll do, I'll just comment so that you guys can understand it more. Okay, so now we'll start with the tuple first and we'll learn something. So let's say I'm going to give value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, so we have already learned in this string and the list that we have some slicing. So like that only we have the tuple slicing also. We'll quickly look to that, and in that slicing actually, that is again the same thing actually, start, stop and step over. So I would like to mention here again so that we are not going to forget this. So what I'll do, I will write f underscore tuple, and this, what should I give? I'll give 0:2. So what is mean that this, the result would be the new tuple, and that would be the start from the 0th index, that is 1, to the index number 2, that is 3, but that is the stop one, so that not gonna be considered. So only we are going to get the output 1, 2. Perfect. But again here, if I'm going to print the f underscore tuple, then this is full only. So whatever operation we do with the help of slicing, that creates a new tuple basically. Same we saw in the case of a string, in the case of list as well. So here this f underscore tuple will be like that only, but the new tuple is going to create. So what I'll do, I will create one new variable and we'll do one more example of slicing for the same. So here I would like to give some value, let's say 1:2:2. Now see what will be the result. So for that we are going to print this new underscore tuple. See, I got 2 comma, nothing is there. Why? Because it's gonna be start from the index 1, that is 2, and going to end at index 2, that is 3, but I have given the step over 2, so it's gonna be add to the next index, that would be 1 plus 2, that would be 3 basically. But as the stop index is 2, so it's not gonna be execute that. That's why we are going to get this. So if I am going to make it up to 5, let's say, or index 4, so that what we are going to get, we are going to get 2, 4 easily. Fine. So this is involves all about the tuple. So we don't do that much operation actually with the tuple. Already we know about, we can use the len function which is predefined in Python, and pass any object that might be the tuple, and we are going to get the length of the tuple. So like that, whatever few operations we can do for the list, we can do the same for the tuple as well, but that operation should not be mutable. Cool. Also, which I would like to mention one more thing, that we can give a few, what we can say, uh, few variables in a same statement. So let me try one thing and give you the example so that you can understand more. Let's say I have write this. I'm going to write this actually, and here I would like to give value 1 comma 2 comma 3, and if I want to print it here, print x, and the same I'm going to do with the y as well, for the z as well. So we got the output 1 comma 3. So here you can see we have given the tuple as a to assign to this x comma y comma z, and each value is going to assign in the each variable. So this is also a very unique thing which is not found in many languages actually. So this is a very really good thing here to know. Also, if let's say I will take the same example, same thing, copy paste below cell, and let's say I'm going to give some more value here, but I really don't want to give the names assigned to some variable. So what I'll do, I can use the star and some variable name. So I have given here others, and if I'm going to print here, then you will see that rest of the value, sorry, that is others, rest of the values is going to assign to this others basically after this 3. And I will copy paste this once again, and I will show you that if I'm going to give here now A and I want to print A, so any guesses guys, what will be the result? So A will be assigned for this last element, and rest between other elements is going to assign to this list basically, others basically, and that would be the list. So let's do this. So here you can say that when we use the star and some variable, it's automatically assigned as a list to that particular variable. This is really awesome. Also, we can do some count operation with the tuple. So what I'll do, I will write f underscore tuple dot count of what. So I need to give some name. So here if you can see, what I'll do, I will copy this because there is no duplicate value in this tuple. So yeah, so here I'm going to give 5. So the result would be 1 because 5 is one time. Again, if I'm going to add the 5 and execute it, we are going to get the 2. So this is the same operation we can do in the list as well. Also, we can do the index thing, which we already done in the list as well. So same operation we can do here also. So what I'll do, index of 5. What is the index of 5? That is 4. So if we have duplicate elements in the tuple, then only the first element's index is going to be print. Okay. So this is all about the tuple. Now we'll start about the set. So let me change this to markdown and mention here set, so that this will be somewhat segregate. Awesome. So what I'll create, I will create one set which is already I have created. So I'll just copy paste this basically, and what I'll give, I'll make it simple to understand, 4 comma 5 with the same example which we have done for the set. So we can print it. Yeah, we are going to print and we'll get this set. Also, as this is very similar to the list, so we can do all operation which we done for the list mostly. As this is a mutable, this is not like tuple that is immutable. So set is mutable guys, so we can do the operation add and all. So we'll do the same, f underscore set dot add. What I need to add, I want to add 6. Cool. So I'll execute it. Now we have 6 added. What if I'm going to add the same 6 again? I'm going to get 6 only one time because the duplicate item is not going to be add here. Awesome. Also, we can use the in keyword which we use in the set, and we get to know that that particular element is available in that list or not. Same thing we can done with the set as well. So what I'll do, I will write here, okay, for in set, what is this, f underscore set, so this should be true. Awesome. So this in statement also we can do the length one as well, because length is the predefined function of the Python, and in the argument it takes the any kind of data type. So here we'll try to give the set as well. So what we'll get the length of this set. Also we have one method of the set, that is copy, which create the new variable of the set. So what I'll do, I'll create one variable here, new set, and I will use f underscore set dot copy method, and what it will do, it will create the new variable with the same element based on the f underscore set. This is awesome. So if you have some set and you don't want to play with that for temporary use, you want to create a new one, you can use the new one and play with that particular set. Okay, now we have some other methods also in the set. So for that, what I'll do, we have this set. So again I'm going to copy this is the first set, and again copy paste. I want to create one second set here. Let's say I will take the 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, let's say, and this I will keep by 5, and okay, I will start this with the 4. So let's say we have this 2 set. One is from 1 to 5 and second is start from the 4 to 5. So we can do couple of operation here basically, which will be the comparison on this both the set, and that is really awesome. So what I'll do, I will make print. Why I'm writing every time print? Because I want to show the result. That's the reason I'm doing this. So what I'll do, I will write first set dot, there is a method that is called difference. Okay, and difference with what? The second set. So easily we can get this result, that what is the difference between first set and the second set. See the result, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Also like that we have, and we can do the vice versa as well. So let me try that one as well, so that you guys can get more picture and the difference basically. So here in the result we can say that 1, 2, 3 is not available in both the set. That's the reason we got this 1, 2, 3. What will be, so because we are comparing with the set 1, so don't consider that why 6, 7, 8 and 9 is, and 10 is not there. So in this result you are going to get the 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So basically here we are saying what is in first underscore set which is not available in the second set. Here what is in the second set which is not available in the first set. This is the result of the difference basically. Now if there is one very useful method which we use most of the time, that is f underscore set dot discard, and let's say I want to discard this 5, and I will write this print f underscore set. So I'm writing two print. Just check what we are going to get. So see, for the first we are going to get none, because this is the operation which is going to happen in f underscore set, but what we are printing the result of this. So what is the result? Result will be whatever this discard method is going to return. Okay, so this discard method is going to return none, so that's why we are going to get here none. But in this f underscore set, that this discard 5 is already discarded from the first set, that's why we are going to get the result 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, What else? We have some other methods also. So I will try to give some 3-4 more example, because in the sets we play a lot by these method, and that is really helpful. So what I'll do, again I will copy paste this one so that the value will be same for our example, and we can use one method, that is difference underscore update. So by the name only you get to know that what will be the result, but I will print here that the differences is going to be update. See, so only here we are going to get that the result in the first set is 1 2 3 4 5, while second set is 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 8 9 10, and here difference update we are going to get the difference actually, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3. If I am going to do the same thing vice versa, then you will see the same difference, same result which we get with the difference one. So what I'll do, I will check here s underscore set, and this would be the first set. See, so previously we are using this method, now we are mostly use this difference underscore update method as well. There is one more function, that is intersection basically. So in that intersection we got all the common results. So right now with the difference we are going what is not common and not available, here we got the common result. So let me print this. Sorry, by mistakenly I have cut that. Oh, so I was talking about the intersection actually. Intersection. Okay. Now see, intersection will show the all the common ones. So 4 comma 5 is common in the s underscore set. That's why we are going to get this 4 comma 5. Also in the set we can get the we can use some binary operators like and, or, and all. So we'll do the same thing and we'll check again. So here print, and this time we are going to use that and operator, and you will see the same result of the intersection. Okay, so in the place of intersection we can use this and operator as well. Okay, like that intersection there is a method name, that is union, and you know in mathematics union is, what is union is, it create a new one basically. So if here you are going to use this union, we are going to get the new set basically. So this is the new set on the union, like everything will be once, while the f underscore set is the same. So here basically we are going to create new set, and this same operation you can do with the binary operator, that is the or. Let's do it. See, we are going to get the same result. Also in the mathematics we learn about the subset and superset, so same operation also we can do here. So what I'll do, I will just copy paste this line now, and we can say that is subset, there is a function. Okay, so what this is going to check is going to check if f underscore set is subset of s underscore set or not. So this is false. Why this is false? Because this is not the subset of this. And if I am going to do this vice versa, so at the same time we are going to get this false as well. So subset means all elements of that set is available in the second set. So now if I am going to change some values, let's say I am going to make it to 4 5. Okay. Now I am going to execute this line. What will happen? See, I got the true, because f set, all elements of this f underscore set is available into the s underscore set. So we can do this. We have also one method that is superset. So I will write here superset and I will execute it. It's false because this is not a superset of this. But if I'm going to do this vice versa, what will happen? We'll get it because this element 4 and 5 is available in the s_, set. This is awesome. So guys, this was all about the tuple and set. Might be this is somewhat confusing, but this is really a very awesome set methods which is going to be used in coming future a lot. So just practice this superset, subset. This is a very simple methods which is by the naming convention only you can understand what this method want to do. I think guys you will learn something new here, and if you like this video then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.